Good afternoon. In the last problem set, number 9, we have learnt about addition. The 10th problem set is excluded for this year students. So, today we are going to start with the next problem set, that is problem set 11 and subtraction. Subtraction you have learnt in the last year, that is in the 4th standard. This year also you are going to learn about subtraction. So, lesson number 3, problem set 11, subtract. The first sum, 8,57,513 and 4,82,256. We are going to subtract 4,82,256 from 8,57,530. So, let us see how to subtract. First we will write 8,57,513, then minus sign, 4,82,256. Now see here, the last digit, the digit in the unit place is 3. We can't subtract 6 from 3. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So we will cut this 1 and write here 0. And we will cut this 3 and write here 13. Now 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is what? 7. Okay. Then again see. In the hundreds place we got 0 because we borrowed 1 for the unit place. So from 0 we can't subtract 5. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from the hundreds place, that is from 5 we will borrow 1. So this 5 we will cut and write here 4. And that 1 which we will borrow, that here we will write and it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is what? 5. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. Then again here in the 100 place the digit we got is 4 because we have borrowed 1 from this 5 to the 10th place. Now 4 minus 2 is what? Now, in the thousands place, we have digit 7 in the upper and in the lower number we have 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. Again, you see in the 10,000s place, in the upper number we have 5 and the number which is below we have 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. So, what we will have to do? We will have to borrow 1 from the lakhs place. So, in the lakhs place we have digit 8. That digit we will cut and we will write 7 over here. And this 5 we will cut and we will write 15. Now 15 minus 8 is what? 7. And here we have 7 now. 7 minus 4 is 3. So when we subtract 4,82,256 from 8,57,513, we get 3,75,257. Okay, is it clear to all? You all understood this? Okay. Now we will move on to the next sum. Now second sum. What is our second sum? 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. We are going to subtract 10,07,423 from 13,17,519. So first we will write 13,17,519 minus sign over here 10,07,422. We will start with the subtraction. Now in the unit place, the digit in the upper number is 9 and the digit in the lower number is the number which is below. We have the digit 3. We can easily subtract 3 from 9. When we subtract 3 from 9, we get 6. So we got 6 in the units place. Now in the tens place you see the upper number has 1 and the number which is below has 2. 2 is greater than 1. We can't subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from hundreds place. When we are borrowing 1 means how much we are borrowing? We are borrowing 10. So we will cut this number 5 and we will write here 4. And when we borrow 10, it becomes 11. So 11 minus 2 is what? 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now here you see in the upper number we have 4 and the number which is below that to have the digit 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Now in the thousands place, in the upper number as well as the number which is below, we have 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now in the 10,000s place we have 1 and the digit in the number which is below we have 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now in the upper number we have 3 and the number which is below we have 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So when we subtract 10,07,423 from 13,17,519, we get 3,10,096. Is this sum clear to you all? Okay. First two sums you understood. Now let us move on to the third sum. Third sum is what? 68,34,501 minus 23,57,823. So first we will write 68,34,501 minus 23,57,820. Now see, the digit in the unit place is 1 in the upper number and the digit in the lower number in the units place is 3. 3 is greater than 1. We cannot subtract 3 from 1. So what we will have to do? We will have to borrow 1 from hundreds place. Sorry, tens place. But in the tens place we have 0. So what we will do? We will borrow from the hundreds place. So we will cut this 5 first and write here 4. When we cut this 5 and write here 4 means we are borrowing 1 for this. So we will cut this 0 and write here 10. Now in the tens place we have 10. So we will cut this 10 and write here 9. And here we will cut and write 11. Is it clear? Now 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is what? 8. Yes. Very good. Now in the tens place we have 9 and 2. We are supposed to subtract 2 from 9. So 9 minus 2 is what? 7. Now in the hundreds place, we have already borrowed 1 from that 5. So the digit in the 100 place is 4 in the upper number and the digit in the 100 place in the lower number is 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 4. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from thousands place. So we will cut this 4 in the thousands place and write here 3. And 1 we will borrow here, it will become 14. Now 14 minus 8 is what? 6. 14 minus 8 is what? 6. Now see here, till here we have completed. Now again in the thousands place, we have 3 in the upper number and 7 in the lower number. So what we will do? We cannot subtract 7 from 3. So we will borrow 1 from this 10,000s place. Here we will cut this 3 and write 2. And the borrowed 1 we will write here. So this number becomes 13. Now 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is what? Again 6. So that 6 we will write here. Now see in the 10,000s place, in the upper number, the digit is 2 and the lower number, the digit is 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. So what we will do again? We will cut this number in the lakhs place. 8 we will cut. We will write 7 over here. And the 1 which we are borrowing, that we will write here. So this number will become 12. Now 12 minus 5 is what? 7. That we will write here. Now see in the lakhs place we have 7 and 3. We are supposed to subtract 3 from 7. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So when we subtract 23,57,823 from 68,34,501, we get 44,76,678. Is it clear to you all? Okay.